Everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at COSCHEDULE. This will be a review on COSCHEDULE and it's believed to be the best marketing tool. Let's say it's a question, is it the best marketing tool in 2024? Let's find out. Now this is a site and we're going to learn about it, in-depth analysis or review about it. We want to take a close look at the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons to help you decide if it is the right fit for your marketing needs. So let's get started. Let's get started with about the company. What is COSCHEDULE? So about the company. Now COSCHEDULE provides marketers with the tools and training that are uniquely helpful, fun to use and consistently punch above their weight. They help about 20,000 plus marketers around the world get organized. So what they're trying to say is that it's like a super organized planner for all your marketing stuff. So imagine a marketing calendar on steroids where you could plan out your blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns and more all in one place. So like a command center for all your marketing team, helping all people stay on the same page and hit those deadlines. And it is considered the marketing industry's leading provider of this type of tool. They even have marketing education products to help you sharpen your skills. So we're going to get to that. I'm going to show you all that. Now who created it? So we're going to look at, now this is their team. So who created it? This is the story. These are the two people that created COSCHEDULE. So Gareth Moon and Justin Walsh. They started COSCHEDULE as a side project at their web design and custom app development agency called Today Made. And in the last decade, their idea for a blog and social media calendar has grown into a marketing calendar solution trusted by over 200,000 plus marketers around the world. Since 2013, COSCHEDULE has added 50 plus employees, countless features, new products, and thousands of free marketing resources. With solutions for marketers at every level, from solopreneurs to enterprise level marketing teams. And they continue to drive towards their vision of COSCHEDULE's product and train every marketer's toolkit. This is their time history from 2013 to 2015. Their core values: they believe in striving for excellence in their character and their code, and they can build a deep level of trust with customers and help them achieve their marketing goals. So you can see they have a passion for product, they are biased for action, and they never settle for less. They believe in trusting the team, they think big, and they vote for value. So if these values sound like you, check out the open position they have by joining the COSCHEDULE team. So this is their team. This is the product team, marketing team, revenue team, operations team, leadership team. Now let's get started. So with COSCHEDULE, you can complete more work, deliver products on time, and improve your marketing value. So now that we've looked at who created it, let's look at the features of COSCHEDULE. Let's look at the features of COSCHEDULE. So we have here, the features: social calendar, content calendar, agency calendar, marketing suite, higher media, headline studio, and actionable marketing institute. So we'll click on here. Here we go. So under social calendar, it means you can create, schedule, publish, and measure your social in a single AI-powered social calendar. Then under content calendar, you get total visibility of all your tasks, projects, and campaigns in a single marketing calendar. Under agency calendar, you get software for agencies and consultants that need calendars for each of their clients. Then under the marketing suite, for marketing teams looking to coordinate their marketing process better and team. You can also use the generative AI called Hire Mia to multiply your marketing output with the world's first collaborative AI editor. Wow. Then under content optimization, you get Headline Studio, where you get an AI-powered headline writing tool for creating click-worthy news. So, and they also help you to generate headlines optimized for engagement and SEO. So you can see the product here. Then Actionable Marketing Institute, on-demand marketing course library to help you quickly learn new marketing skills with confidence. So because without the right tools, marketing gets messy. So you get to organize the marketing in one place. So smart. Now we've seen the product. Now why do you want to go for COSCHEDULE? Let's listen to some customer stories. Everness increased product output by 75% with COSCHEDULE marketing suite. Then the UFX alumni, this 5-person marketing team, managed 12 times more work while working remotely using COSCHEDULE marketing team. That's good. Then this UMass Memorial Healthcare, this company created instant workload visibility across 3 teams with marketing suites actually by COSCHEDULE. Then we have Leaders Global Marketing Team. They increase their visibility by centralizing their marketing efforts with marketing suites by COSCHEDULE. We have this marketing agency, My Brand. They drive social media growth for 16 franchise clients. And then we have 124. Our one marketing team quadrupled their content and drove 1,412% more organic traffic to their blog. We have other ones like, let's look at these two. Grabble. How does global brand transform complex multi-tool marketing to a simplified workflow? Simple View completes 5 times more marketing pros every month using COSCHEDULE's marketing suite. Want to know more? You can read more by clicking here, clicking there. So now that I've seen, customers will also get your custom ROI report and see what your team. You can also use to get a custom ROI report, that's revenue on investment report, and see what your team could save by switching to COSCHEDULE. You can explore how marketers and teams use COSCHEDULE also. So under resources, we have a lot of resources: AI writing tools, headline analyzer, ID generation tool, social message optimizer. You see so many great things. You get essay titles, so many, look at it. So many things you can get. Here are the libraries. It's really, really good. Now let's look at pricing. So in the pricing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plans. So you can call your calendar free today, no credit card required. So they're called calendar, not plan. So the first calendar we have is a free calendar for individuals looking for just the basic social publishing. You don't pay any money, it's free forever, and get started free of charge. It includes one user, 2 social profiles, up to 15 scheduled social messages. Free calendar includes AI social assist, so many things. You can see them all here. Then if you want to use the social calendar plan, it's for individuals and teams looking for unique social publishing. You pay $19 per user per month. You can also be billed annually if you want. So you get up to 3 user seats, includes 5 social profiles, $5 per month for each additional profile. Get free features these free features also be added to it. Plus unlimited social media publishing, AI project assistance, and the rest of them all the way down here. Wow, there are a lot of them. Then the agency calendar, for the agency needing calendars for each of their clients, you pay $49 for per user for a month. You can also be billed annually. You can also be billed annually if you want. So you get to enjoy all the social calendar advantages at the same time. You can purchase up to 3 seats instead of 1 user, 3. You get about 5 social profiles, $5 per month for each additional profiles. Social features of all these social features, along with the limited client calendar, coordinate multiple client calendar, client brand, so many good stuff, and so many. If you want to know more, you can just come here. And want to get started, you can click on it, pay. So this we have next plan, which is called the content calendar plan for teams that want all their content and social on one calendar. You call them, they're nice to talk to, and you guys to discuss how much. Talk to the sales to get started, and you purchase up to 5 user seats. Also include 10 social profiles, social features from this, plus carbon product view, table view, so many nice things here. And then we have marketing suites. Marketing suites for marketing teams looking to coordinate their marketing process, projects, and teams. You call them to the price, and I also talk to the sales to get started. And you have custom user limits, so you guys discuss the user limits, social profile limits, or you get sub calendars, approval workflow, intake request form, in addition, team management dashboard, and the rest of them. So that is for the pricing. Now let's look at, we've seen the pricing. This is, I don't know if you're aware that Mia is an AI, very, 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 very good AI. In fact, one of the best, very, very good. Sorry for that. So let's see. I want to see. Look at the pros and the cons. So before I go to pros and cons, let me just summarize the advantages or the benefits of CoSchedule. One, the centralized marketing hub, so you can say goodbye to that spreadsheets and tools. It brings all your marketing projects into one place, making it easy for you to see the big picture and keep everyone on track. The second one we have is streamlined collaboration. It makes it simple for marketing teams to work together seamlessly, no more endless email chains or missed deadlines. And the next one is efficient project management. Also helps you to launch full-blown campaign, plan a new blog post, manage every step of marketing projects. You can even edit key project details on the fly. Is that good? The next, social media scheduling is the next benefit. You can schedule publish social media messages in advance, saving you time and ensuring consistent engagement with your audience. Then it also has provide valuable analytics to help you track your marketing performance. Helps you prove your marketing team's value with clear data on ROI, returns on investment, and campaign effectiveness. Then next we have is mobile accessibility as the next benefit. You can stay connected and manage your marketing on the go with CoSchedule's mobile app. And the last one I'm going to look at is empowerment for marketing teams. CoSchedule helps products empower marketing teams to work smarter, not harder. So work smart, not work hard. Spend less time on tedious tasks and more time on strategic initiatives. So those are the benefits, and then remember the features are the information, the features before, a lot of nice features. So as you can see, it's not just another marketing tool. It's packed with unique features that are designed to make your life easier and your marketing more effective. Now let us check out the pros and the cons. We look at the price. Let's look at the features. Let's check out the pros and the cons. From what I could see when I went around it, is that it has, like I mentioned before, there are many good things about it. I'm going to mention again. So all those advantages, benefits I mentioned are the pros. Now let's look at the negative part, which are the cons. You see, it has a learning curve. You have to learn. Yes, you have to actually learn to get used to it. You have to continuously practicing to be able to get used to it. The platform, the whole interface and everything. There's a lot of parts to it. A lot of parts to it. Next, it's kind of pricey. The price is kind of little high, but I think it's worth it. But in case you believe that isn't the right fit for you, you don't want to use it anymore, or you don't feel like using it, you can try out other good options out there like Money.com, Asana, Trello, Hotsuite, and HubSpot. And you can also, and how would you actually know it's not meant for you if you haven't even tried it? Because you see, many people have used it and said it's a game changer. You know, they were struggling with scattered tools, missed deadlines, but CoSchedule brought everything together in one streamlined workflow for them. They benefited from it. Made it easy for them, everyone to see what's happening and when, no more confusion and missed deadlines. And with everything in one place, you get to spend less time searching for information and more time getting work done. Think about it. And the analytics tools help you track your progress and prove your marketing team's value to the company. I think this really empowers your team to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. So I really think it's a powerful tool, powerhouse tool for marketers, yes. Because it helps to bring all your marketing efforts together, making it easier to collaborate, stay organized, and improve your marketing team's forward. So I believe that if you are tired of juggling multiple tools and you want to streamline your workflow, CoSchedule is definitely worth considering. Like I said, give it a try. You want to give it a try, just click on. You can get a demo, you can do sign up and get started. I already have an account, that is why it's showing me this. So sign up. Then just click get started now. And then get started. So now I'll show you the pros and cons and everything, but don't just take my word for it. You can say I'm here to say welcome back, because I already have an account. So, and I was saying, don't just take my word for it. Why don't you give it a try and tell us what you think in the comment section. So hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.